Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, permission to introduce myself. My name is Iostia from Management Class 22A. Here I will explain the strategic management material to taught by Miss Kamala. Analyzing industry competition, five force and force framework. The five force framework developed by Michel Parters is a powerful tool for analyzing the competitive landscape of an industry. By understanding the dynamics of these five forces, business can develop effective strategies to navigate the competitive environment and gain a sustainable advantage. Understanding the five forces, threat of new entrants, assignments, the ease with which new competitors can enter the market, considering factors like barriers to entry, economic of scale, and access to distribution channels. Number two is bargaining power of suppliers. Evaluate, evaluate, evaluasi, evaluation, the influence suppliers have overpricing, quality and availability of inputs, and the ability of a business to find alternative source. Number three is bargaining power of buyers. Access the power of customer to negotiate price, demand, higher quality, or play competitors against each other. The value need, mapping industry dynamics. Number one is customer. Understand the needs, preference, and bargaining power of your target customer. Number two is competitor. Identify direct and indirect competitors and analyze their strategy and capabilities. Number three is complementors. Recognize business that can enhance your offering and create new value for customer. Key components of the value net. Number one is substitutes. Substitutes. Identify products or services that can serve as alternative to your offerings. Number two is suppliers. Analyze the bargaining power and influence of your suppliers on the value chains. Number three is complementary business. Explore opportunities for collaboration and synergies with related industries. Leveraging the value need for competitive insight. Number one is identify linkages. Understand how the various components of the value net are interconnect and influence each other. Number two is anticipate shift. Analyze how change in one part of the value net can impact the overall industry dynamics. Number three is develop strategic. Leverage insight from the value nets to formulate competitive strike and create sustainable value. Evaluating critical success factor. Number one is access importance. Determine the relative significance of each key success factor in driving industry performance and profitability. Number two is benchmark performance. Evaluate how the business capabilities measure up against industry standard and competitors. Number 3 is identify gaps. Pinpoint areas where the business needs to improve or invest to enhance its competitiveness. Identifying key success factor. Number 1 is industry-specific factors. Determine the critical capabilities, resources, and practices that drive success in a particular industry. Number 2 is competitive differentiation. Identify the unique attributes that allow a business to stand out and create value for customer. Number 3 is adaptability. Is recognize the need to continually access and refine can success factors as the industry evolves. Aligning strategy with key success factor. Number 1 is focus. Prioritize the key success factors that are most critical to the business competitive positioning. Number 2 is capabilities. Ensure the business has the necessary resource, skill, and process to excel in the identified key success factor. Number 3 is execution. Effectively implement strategic initiatives that leverage the business case strength and competencies. Then consultation, integrating the frameworks. By integrating the 5 first framework, the value need, and the analysis of key success factor, business can develop a comprehensive understanding of their competitive landscape and formulate effective strategies to drive sustainable success. That's all I can say and I hope it's useful. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.